First of all, take an empty marker and a cutter or a utility knife and cut the marker into the size of the width of the cardboard. Just like that. It should look like this now. Now you have to use hot glue gun or any other glue, or you can also use tape instead of glue to paste the empty marker bottle onto the cardboard. It should look like this. Now take a metal rod and now insert it into the empty marker bottle, just like that. Now attach the tires to the end of the metal rod. Instead of tires you can also use anything else like bottle caps or something like that. It should work like this. Now take two small pieces of the empty marker bottle. I am using here hot glue gun because it is very suitable for my project. Now paste those small pieces of the empty marker bottle onto the cardboard. This cardboard is the base of your car. Once you are done with pasting the small pieces of the empty marker bottle, take a utility knife or a cutter or anything like that and cut a small square piece of the cardboard from between the two small pieces of the empty marker. It should look something like this. Now take a piece of cardboard, draw 3 circles, make 2 big circles and 1 small circle. Cut these 3 circles out. Glue the one big circle and attach the small circle on it, just like this. Now glue the small circle and attach the larger circle on it again. Make a hole in the middle of the circle. Now insert the metal rod. Now take 2 bottle caps and make a hole in the middle of the bottle cap. I am using the bottle caps because I got only 2 tires. If you have tires, you can use them instead of bottle caps, because bottle caps look something disgusting, like stupid thing, but I am using it. Once you are done making the hole, you have to attach the bottle caps with the metal rod. Now glue it so that it won't get off. Now attach the second bottle cap. It would look something like this. Now take a DC motor. It's of 3.7 voltage. Now apply glue on the cardboard. Attach the motor with the cardboard. The shaft of the DC motor should face the pulley. Just like this. Now take a small pulley, very small pulley. If you don't have this type of pulley, you can purchase it from the link given below in the description. Now attach the small pulley with the DC motor. I'm sorry that I didn't tell you the step of inserting the rubber band in the pulley. Once you have inserted the rubber band in the pulley, connect the large pulley with small pulley with the help of a rubber band. Now take a battery. I am using a rechargeable cell, laptop battery cell. If you want to purchase this cell, you can purchase it from the link given below in the description. Now apply glue on the cardboard. Then attach the cell on it. Now there are two wires of the DC motor. Attach these two wires with the cell. The bottle caps will start moving just like this. Let's start making the circuit. Take a small piece of tape and then tape the wire with the cell. Now take a small switch. Now cut one wire of the DC motor so that its length is shortened, and now attach one wire of the switch with the second wire of the DC motor, just like this. Now apply glue on the cell and attach the switch on the cell. Now attach the second wire of the switch with the second terminal of the cell. Now your car is done. It started working.
You can make a wildfire get away.